Somehow I think I came in the back. This is Fontainebleau. I'm not sure how you say it in English. It's a massive, massive colony, basically. Thousands of people could be here. And this is only a small portion of it, the one courtyard. I never did find the whole big, long pool. I think it's straight out the back. But here we have the famous horseshoe staircase. I came over here with an hour till close, thinking I would check it out and see what it was like, see what urge I had, if I might come back tomorrow and go in. So far, I could care less. I like being here, and I had a really nice time chatting with the guy who has the horses that draw the carriage. And one of them was a French cob, and another one was some kind of draft cross from the Netherlands. So I'm there in a gelding. I told them all about my horses and got some new horse vocabulary. So I just wanted to say that I find that people are just, they're exactly like they are in the East Coast of the United States, New England, New York. A little taciturn at first, but once you start talking, very welcoming and very friendly, and I really appreciate it. And the guy at the hotel, which I'm staying in a chateau myself, I'll make another video of that. He said my French was very good. And then he started speaking French, but he spoke it slowly. I could actually understand. It was quite amazing. So I'm getting my feet underneath me.